Yo, crypto fam. You know crypto's like a roller coaster, right? Wild ups and downs. Today, we're building resilience. Let's learn how to weather the storm and come out on top. Crypto volatility? It's just fancy talk for how fast prices change. Up, down, sideways. It's all part of the game. It's what makes crypto exciting, but also risky. What makes crypto so wild? Supply and demand. More buyers than sellers. Price goes up. More sellers, price goes down. Emotions. Fear and greed drive the market. News can trigger massive swings. Economy. Interest rates, inflation. They all affect crypto now. Media, Twitter, news. They move markets. Liquidity, easy to buy and sell. Less volatility. Hard, more volatility. Tokenomics. How the coin is designed affects its price. Whales. Big traders can move the market with huge trades. How do we measure this craziness? Beta. It compares a coin's volatility to Bitcoin. If it's higher than Bitcoin's beta, it's more volatile. How do we survive this? Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments. Stop loss orders. Set them. Protect your capital. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Buy regularly, no matter the price. Smooth out the ups and downs. Volatility index. Keep an eye on the market's craziness. Know when to be cautious. That's it, fam. Build resilience and weather the crypto storm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay strong, stay smart, and remember, resilience is your superpower in the crypto world.